Nichols students, if you are interested in a payment plan, the process is quick and completely online. Before beginning the payment plan process, be sure to check your financial aid on Banner to make sure that all the requirements are satisfied. If you have questions regarding financial aid, please contact or visit the Office of Financial Aid. Completing the payment plan is easy by following these steps. Once you are finished submitting your information, it will not appear as complete on Banner. To see your plan is as easy as selecting My Bill in Banner Self-Service. The payment plan details for your account in the TouchNet system can be viewed there. The plan will recalculate based on any eligible changes on the student account. Payment plans are only available for that current term. Any previous debt or fines must be paid separately. Payment plans will be broken into 3 installments. Your first installment is paid at the time you create the payment plan and must be 50% of the balance on your account. The second and third installments will be 25% of the remaining balance. These payments will be due on the first of the month in October and November for the fall, and March and April in the spring. Make sure to pay on time to avoid any late fees. A late fee of $25 per month for payments made after the due date will be charged. The maximum late fee is $100. Payments made or financial aid awards used are applied to the calculated payments in the order in which the payment is due. To get started, begin by logging into your Banner account. Remember, there is a direct link to access Banner at the bottom of the nichols.edu website. First, you will click Enter Secure Area and then enter your user ID and PIN and log in. Next, you will select Student and then you will select Student Accounts. From there, you will then select Account Detail for Term. You will select the applicable term for that semester, click Submit, and then this will bring up the account detail for that term. You will then scroll to the bottom of the page and click on Make a Payment in the gray bar at the bottom of the screen. Then you will click on the My Bill button, and this will take you to the Heartland TouchNet system. Select the student account box and then enroll in a payment plan. Next, select the term you wish to enroll in a payment plan for from the drop-down list. The available payment plan option will be displayed. Then you will click the Select button. This will bring up the payment plan calculation details along with general information related to the payment plan. Make sure to read all the information thoroughly because everything is very important. If you decide that you do not want to enroll in a payment plan, please click Cancel. Otherwise, you can select Continue. Make sure to select the payment method and then click Continue again. You'll need to enter the required information for the payment and click Continue. This will bring up your payment plan agreement. Your payment plan agreement is a legal document, so make sure you read it thoroughly and carefully. This window also allows you to print the agreement to save. If you wish to continue, select I agree and then move on. This will bring you to your payment agreement. Please read and then finalize in order to complete the required down payment if an amount is due. The plan agreement can also be printed from this page. You can select I agree and then continue to continue the payment plan and enrollment process. You will receive a payment receipt once the process is complete on the screen. The message will read, "Thank you. Your payment was processed successfully." Now that you're all finished with the payment plan process, you're all ready to get your semester started. Good luck and go Colonels!